Hi everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another project, and this is part of my adapted series. I was inspired by Michelle, and she is the Shabby Chic Chick, Michelle Randolph, here on YouTube. Hi Michelle, if you're watching. But she had recently posted, at least I've seen a couple of these Converse type shoe lookalikes, and I know there are some other ladies that created SVG files and a PDF for them. I will go ahead and link Michelle's video down below. Hers came out so beautifully, and as soon as I saw her video, I knew that I wanted to create one for my friend Anna, again, for her birthday. These are purely decorative. There's absolutely no function to them, but I think she'll get a kick out of them because Anna loves Converse shoes. So I'm trying to make sure that this video isn't too long because literally this project took me almost a week to complete. Am I glutton for punishment? Sometimes I think I am. You will notice that my interpretation of this is not even close to what Michelle and the other ladies have done. So let me stop rambling and I will go ahead and share with you guys what I created. Okay, first here is a shoe box that I created, and I actually did the measurements for this when I thought I was going to make a bigger pair of shoes. So the box is a little big, but she can go ahead and store anything else after she receives it. But I did make the top portion a shaker. So I took some of my embossable acetate that I've had in my stash forever, and I heat embossed Happy Birthday using one of my stamp sets, and I think my Moxie embossing powder, and this is in the rose gold. I created this shaker mix. There's little like acrylic hearts in there, lots of seed beads and stars and hearts and yellow and pink. I kind of combined the yellow with the pink, and you'll see why, because it's kind of modeled after the shoe. But in the middle here, you can hardly tell, but in the middle is a heart die cut that I had a little bit of the fabric left over creating the shoe, so I didn't want it to go to waste, so I adhered that on the inside in the middle. And then, and to kind of hide some of the imperfections around the shaker frame, I did use a yellow glittered cardstock for the frame, and I have a ton of this trim that I believe I got from Hobby Lobby, but it has the yellow and the pink, and it does have like the purple and the blue and the green, but I think it went together really well. I created this box from scratch. I doubled up on some lightweight chipboard. I lined everything with this gold paper from Michaels, and then I inset all these like watercolored papers, and this box is reinforced, so it is really sturdy. So here is the inside of the box. I lined everything on the inside as well, and on the lid. So that is the box for the shoes. I cannot wait to share with you guys the shoes. They're so cute. But here they are. They are not an exact copy of Converse shoes, but I think I came pretty close. I actually drew the design myself from a picture, and I created it to be 3D. So I don't actually own any Converse shoes, so I don't know exactly what they look like, so I had to rely heavily on these pictures. And I think one part that I did mess up on was, I think Converse shoes only has these two eyelets on one side and not both, and I didn't even realize that until it was basically almost done. But I used my glitter vinyl, and it's hard to see on screen, for the toe area here. And if you guys can see that, the fabric is actually printed from my printer. It's this yellow with like pink roses on it. It's very subtle. And then I did use my sewing machine to stitch on the threading here. I used my pink eyelets throughout the entire shoe. On the bottom here, on the sole, is also that glitter vinyl. I did use some of my Cricut vinyl in this metallic pink and cut really thin strips and lined them. For this accent piece here, this is some of that chunky glitter canvas that you can get at Hobby Lobby. Even the bottoms are finished. And I actually put my sticker on each one of these so that Anna will never forget who made this for her. This took a lot of trial and error. I first created the 3D template using my brother scan and cut because for some reason my silhouette is not compatible with the laptop that I currently have. So that was a little bit more challenging. If you've ever used brother scan and cut to kind of design anything, it's not very easy. The whole inside of the shoe is covered with pattern paper. On the back here, where the seam is, and you can barely tell, and I don't think the camera is going to pick it up. Well, there you go. So I have the All-Star logo, and on top of it, instead of it saying Converse, I put Anna on it. I thought you would get a kick out of that. So here is the other side, and let me share with you the tongue here on the shoe. It has the same thing but just bigger. So it says All-Star and then Anna. I thought that was a really cute touch. So this was a pure labor of love, and I just thought that she could use this as decoration in her craft room. I was just really inspired by watching Michelle's video and the other shoes that she created. First of all, they were a lot bigger, I believe, than the ones that I created. And when I replicate something, I really want it to look like exactly the same. And it's just part of my OCD and just how I am. But I hope that she loves it. I basically was in the zone and I wanted to make this as authentic as possible when I was creating this. And I think I came pretty close, at least from the pictures that I've seen. Like I said, I don't own any Converse. I never have. So let me know what you guys think. How close do you guys think I came? I think these are so stinking adorable, and I hope that Anna loves them as well. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope you guys are having a fantastic weekend, and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye everyone.